I am Anjana Pabi. I came here in Heavenly Palace on 21st of November 2019. When I came here, I was very sad and depressed because the reason was my younger sister passed away on 10th of October 2019. And when she passed away, actually, we didn't know about her disease which she was having. She had metastatic cancer and it was in all over her body. And we came to know, we were very unfortunate that we came to know just 1.5 months before her death. So it was very shocking for us. We tried our best to save her. She was dying every day and night. She was dying and dying, and it was very shocking for us, and we were in distress. But we were not able to save her, and she passed away on 10th of October 2019. The whole family, we were all crying and crying. We were so much sad, and we were unhappy that what has happened. We never had this thinking in our mind that she will get this kind of disease in her body, and the time will be like this only. When I came here with my Mausi, I saw this place. I liked this place after her death, and immediately I decided to move over here because I wanted to live alone. I mean, my thinking about life was altogether changed. I was not willing to live more and stuff like that. It was very depressing. I cannot explain it. When I came here, it was my good luck that after 2 or 3 days, Swamiji came over here and he started teaching meditation and yoga to all of us. After learning from him, after 6 or 7 days, what happened? I felt that I'm a little relieved and relaxed and peaceful now. What happened? One day, after 6 or 7 days, my mom called me in the afternoon and she was literally crying, and I was very unhappy and I was hurt, deeply hurt that time. And the whole day I was crying and crying and crying, sitting alone in my room. So what happened at night around 9 o'clock, doorbell rang and Swamiji came inside. There was a knock at the door at that time, and I said, "Who is there?" And there was a voice, "Swamiji." And I was shocked how he has come to know that I am in so much of distress and so much in trouble. He came inside immediately. He saw me crying. He said, "Ma, you please cry the whole night. Keep crying whole night." And he take out a garland, a mala from his neck. Mujhe diya. He gave it to me, and he told me to give him a piece of paper. I gave him paper. He wrote a mantra on it and told me to recite that mantra. Since that day, I am reciting that mantra every day and night. I am reciting it, and I am very thankful and I am very obliged that I feel inner strength inside me. And after 2 or 3 days, what happened when we were in our yoga session, we were doing meditation. I closed my eyes. We were chanting Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. And just after that, when we sat for the meditation, I closed my eyes and I saw God Shiva in front of me. I saw the whole image of God Shiva in front of me. I was so delighted, so happy to see him just in front of me. And for 10 minutes he was there. 10 to 15 minutes he was there. And after that, there was a small diya, low. The low was little moving here and there, and I thought maybe my mind is not stable, so that's why it is like that. It is moving here and there. And after 2 minutes, what happened? The light was still, and there was light everywhere. There was a fountain of light everywhere, and I was so happy and peaceful, and I cannot explain the moment I felt that time, and that was the best moment of my life I ever had seen. I thank Swamiji for the strength, for the peace which he has given to us, and I really hope that he should be with us forever to strengthen us, and should help others also, other people also, to come out of any grievances if they have, and help them in the same way, because frankly speaking, Swamiji has changed my life a lot. Frankly speaking, I don't want him to go back away. He should be with us for forever. Thank you.